Hey guys, Mr. Matt from Mr. Matt's Arcade here. Today we're going to do an unboxing video for a 1515 Workbee CNC router machine kit that I bought recently. I purchased it from YuYong Industries. I purchased the majority of the kit from them, and then I purchased the spindle and controller from a different company. So let's go ahead and start with this small box and see what we got. Looks like it's all nicely organized. Alright, looks like in this one we have all our shielded cable that we need. All nicely separated and labeled in its own box. In here we have the drag chain that all our cabling will run through. In here, let's see what we got here. Everything is separated and labeled. Looks like a lot of it is our hardware, our T-nuts and stuff like that, as well as all our bearings and pieces for the wheels. So far I'm very impressed that everything is individually packaged and labeled. Should make it easy when we go to assembly, considering there's like 1,000 pieces. It's going to be quite a project. Oh, here's our other drag chain. And our cable mounting brackets, some screws, and some other hardware stuff. Alright, let's move on to the next box. I purchased this kit from Aliexpress, again from YuYong Industries. Their prices were very competitive, and their responsiveness to questions was top-notch. They got back to me the same day. They were extremely helpful with me choosing different parts and kind of putting together a custom kit for me, considering I wanted to order a few pieces from another company. Compared to, there is another company out there that sells similar kits on AliExpress. However, I'm still waiting for a response from them on a question I asked them about 2 months ago or so when I purchased this kit. So far I'm very pleased with the support from YuYong Industries. Alright, again, everything is all separated nicely and labeled very well. Let's go ahead and pull everything out. Looks like it's all packaged very nice and securely as well. Nothing looks damaged or beat up, so it all was packaged properly. So let's check out what we got. Here's our power supply. is one of our NEMA 23 high torque stepping motors. I'm going to take a peek, but I assume that's what these other 3 boxes are as well. Yep, our other motor. Motor number 3. And motor number 4. And here's our emergency stop button. Let's see what these little guys are. Oh, these are all the different collet adapters for the spindle. Here is our spindle mount, which will attach the spindle itself. Let's see what we got in here. We have some fans, some more wiring, some other electrical pieces. Looks like our limit switches and whatnot are in here. Here is the extra wheel kits that I ordered. And let's check out this last box here. Oh, here are our Workbee plates. These are the aluminum plates for putting the actual frame together, pieces of the frame. So far, everything looks top notch. It looks all packaged very well. Let's open up this big guy here. This must be all our aluminum extrusions and such and whatnot. Let's take a look. Again, everything looks like it is packaged and cushioned quite well. Here's our different extrusion pieces. And by eyeballing it, they all look very straight. Looks like none of them got bent or damaged during travel. So that is a plus, considering I did order this kit directly from China. So I had a long way to come, but it looks like everything held up well due to the really good job that YuYong Industries did with packaging everything. And these all have a plastic coverings as well that prevented them from getting scratched as well, so that's a plus. Not going to open this one, but oh, it is labeled. It is one of the lead screws, or lead screws. We'll go with lead screws. Yeah, very impressed with their packaging. They did an excellent job. Some of the bigger extrusions. Here's some of the really big guys right there. Again, by eyeballing them, they look very straight. Doesn't look like there's any issues with them. use some tools to check that before assembly to confirm. There we go. Looks like those are all the pieces that I ordered from YuYong Industries for the Workbee kit. I will have to check my parts list to confirm that everything is here, but by a quick look at it all and by memory, looks like it should all be here. Let me grab the other 2 boxes that I ordered from somewhere else and we'll check those out. Ordered this box from G-Penny. Ordered a VFD and a spindle from them. I heard very good things about that company as well, so I ordered through them. Here's your VFD, or variable frequency drive. And it is a, how do you pronounce that one? YuYong inverter, which is also supposed to be a top-notch company and product there. Did about a month of research, reading all kinds of articles and forums and talking to different people on Facebook groups to get ideas on what I should order and try to get all the pieces I needed. Here is the shielded cable for the spindle. Again, all this stuff looks like it was packed extremely well, which is excellent. Let's take a look at the spindle. There we go. And here is our G-Penny 110 volt, 1.5 kilowatt air-cooled spindle. Very nice. And it looks like it came with a couple of collets itself and a collet adapter. So that's excellent. Alright. That all looks the way it should. So let's move on. We got one last box. I talked to quite a few people on Facebook groups and forums and stuff like that that I had mentioned. And one of the things they mentioned for a controller, the part that connects your machine to your computer and interprets all the code or something like that, they recommended for beginners an easy one to use that's really reliable is the Open Builds Black Box. So I went ahead and picked up one of those. And this arrived very quickly. This company is in the US, I believe. Oh yeah, it's from, they're out of New Jersey. And everything arrived packaged really well. Their shipping was quick, and I heard that their customer support is excellent as well. So here's the black box controller. And I believe there's a few other parts hidden in here. But there you go, guys. This is my first unboxing video. Hope you liked it. And stay tuned, because we're going to be doing some assembly videos as well. It's lots of pieces. It's going to be quite a project to put it together. But it'll be fun to do it. And I can't wait to see the final product. And I hope you guys will stick around. Check out my next videos. Thanks. And as always, game on, my friends.